Let's learn about graphical displays for categorical variables. What is a graphical display? It is a visual representation of the distribution of data. Recall that a distribution of a categorical variable refers to the frequency of category membership for each category of the variable. We can create a picture to convey this information. A well-constructed graphical display will highlight the major features of the data. Our brains can assimilate large quantities of visual information in a short amount of time. Think about briefly looking at a picture, then consider the amount of text you would need to read to learn all the details that you were able to quickly observe by looking at the picture. Even with an extensive textual description, it is almost certain you will not learn as many details about the picture as you would if you observed it for even a short period of time. Data analysts who wish to convey information about data effectively and efficiently use pictures to convey this information. We call these pictures graphical displays. The statistics that we compute for categorical variables include proportion or percent. These statistics help us to understand the relative frequency of the units in our sample that are in each category of the categorical variable. Two graphical displays that can convey the same information are bar graphs and pie charts. Bar graphs illustrate relative frequency of category membership with the height of bars. Pie charts illustrate relative frequency of category membership with the areas or slices of a pie, that is, a circle. Here is a bar chart that illustrates the relative frequency of political affiliation based upon student survey responses. The categories of the variable are on the horizontal axis. The height of a bar indicates the percent or proportion of the responses that place students in one political category. Percent or proportion is on the vertical axis. A glance at this graphical display can convey information about the relative frequency of category membership quicker than studying a frequency distribution table. Here is a pie chart. The pie chart illustrates relative frequency of category membership with the areas or slices of the pie. Research has shown that bar charts are far more effective at conveying this information than a pie chart. Consequently, statisticians do not recommend using pie charts. I do not use pie charts, but they're still so prevalent that I did not want to leave this topic without at least showing you a pie chart and briefly talking about its purpose. A simple bar chart, also called a bar graph, is a useful tool for conveying information about a categorical variable. I encourage you to learn how to construct a bar graph and consider using it as your first method for helping readers of your research understand the distribution of a categorical variable in your data set.